In this problem, we're going to solve a triangle given the lengths of two sides of the triangle and the measure of the angle between them. We want to solve the triangle with A equal to 8 units, B equal to 4 units, and the measure of angle C is 70 degrees. We're going to start by finding the third side, or the length of the third side, C, by using the law of cosines. We'll have C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB times the cosine of angle C. This gives us C squared is equal to 8 squared plus 4 squared minus 2 times 8 times 4 times the cosine of angle C. So we have C squared equals 64 plus 16 minus 64 cosine of 70 degrees. Simplifying, we'll get C squared is equal to 58.11. And take the square root of both sides using the positive square root, since C is the length of a side. We'll get that C is equal to 7.62 units. We now have the lengths of the three sides of our triangle. Our next step will be to find one of the other remaining angle measures. We have that side A is 8 units, side B is 4 units. The measure of angle C is 70 degrees, and we found the length of side C to be 7.62 units. We're going to use the law of cosines to find the measure of angle A. We can write A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC times the cosine of angle A. And we'd like to isolate this cosine of angle A, so we're going to rearrange our terms to get the 2BC cosine A by itself. We'll get 2 times B times C times the cosine of angle A will equal B squared plus C squared minus A squared. Next, we'll divide both sides by 2BC. So we'll have cosine of angle A is equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared divided by 2BC. And we know all three lengths, so we can plug in the values that we have. This will be 4 squared plus 7.62 squared minus 8 squared divided by 2 times 4 times 7.62. If we simplify that, this is 0.1651. So we have cosine of angle A is 0.1651, or the measure of angle A is cosine inverse of 0.1651, or about 80.5 degrees. We were given that the measure of angle C was 70 degrees. We just found the measure of angle A to be 80.5 degrees. We can now find the measure of angle B by subtracting. The triangle has 180 degrees, so we'll subtract off 70 degrees and the 80.5 to give us the measure of angle B as 29.5 degrees.